Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create a VRchat account. So guys, what you have to do, go to Google and search for VRchat and click the official website and click login here. After that guys, what you have to do is just click create an account and click your display name here, as you can see here on the screen, and your email address here and your password. After that guys, what you have to do, repeat your password and screen and write your date of birthday. As you can see here, this password is not much, and click agree this term and condition, and I have agreed this policy, and click robot, I'm not robot, and click create here account. Just create account and you will redirect to your dashboard on the screen. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. And any question down below and comment here and I will answer your question.